What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Today we have our bread and butter. We have the 2025 G80 M3. So first of all, just take a look at this car. This car looks absolutely phenomenal. This is actually Brandon's car, the CMO of Valvetronic. And today we ended up putting the full titanium V3 equal length exhaust on this car. Now this car still has the factory downpipes as well, and it sounds as good as you guys are about to hear. So like I said, this is our bread and butter. Enthusiasts all around the world have been buying this system, and today's video is gonna show you guys exactly how you can buy our system right out the box, not have any problems with your factory warranty, and just put up our exhaust and keep your stock downpipes and see how good this thing is gonna sound. Now, why don't we come around back? I'll show you guys. The car's a little dirty, but you guys can see. Oh God, what is that? Oh. Some type of bug. With the full titanium system, you actually get these wicked single wall 4-inch titanium tips as well, which look unreal paired to this Suku carbon diffuser as well. So, and as per usual in this video, we're gonna show you guys all of the sound characteristics, startup, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper so you know exactly what your G80 or G82 is gonna sound like with that S58 motor right out the box. Let's get to it. Listen to how deep and aggressive this is with the stock downpipes. Close up the valves now, and honestly it might be quieter than the factory exhaust. Like, it's very docile in here, cruising along 1500 RPM, and you actually can't hear anything. I'm cruising around at 1000 RPM, 6 gear, 34 miles an hour, nothing. We're gonna open up the valves now. You can audibly hear the difference out back. More drama, more bass, more aggression. Dip the windows a little bit too, especially when you throw it into the M1 or M2 mode. You definitely get a lot more aggression. Start to hear the pops. All right, oil temp is good. We're gonna do windows down. You guys are gonna get some ricochets off this building of some raw S58 music. And that, everybody, is the ultimate sound expression of the G80 M3. The S58, you guys know, this platform is super potent, especially when you throw some downpipes at it, but not a lot of people want to lose their factory warranty. Huge flexibility with the valves open and closed, as you guys heard. You get that deep, raw motorsport sound, and the equalization section up front offers that smooth driving experience that this car should have came with from factory. So if you're looking to get one for your G80 or G82 and your S58 platform, go ahead and head over to Valvetronic.com, where we can hook you guys up with the full system, which right now, if you're watching this video as it drops, we're actually running a 10% off sale for Independence Day. So July 3rd to July 5th, you'll get 10% off site-wide. So if you guys are interested for your G80, I would definitely pick one up now. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, you can go to our live chat on our website or call our phone number, which I'll put on screen right now, and we'll be happy to help you and get your car set up right. And stay tuned for the next sound improvement video, whereas we have a brand new car that nobody's done exhaust on before that's coming into the shop. So stay tuned and have a good day. Peace.